media manager here at SBBlooms.
And I'm Emily, the social media coordinator.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where you guys vote on a trending Pinterest pin and we recreate them with one of our 20 on-trend wedding flower collections for rent. So last week you guys voted on this install and we actually had a tie for what collection to use for the first time ever. So we did a mix of Jane and Audrey, which worked out beautifully. So yeah, we love how it turned out. It was so easy.
Okay, so the products used for today are 5 paper columns. We got them from Etsy, so we can link them below if they're still available. And 2 of our Jane grand centerpieces, 2 of our Audrey grand centerpieces, 2 large Audrey centerpieces, 2 Jane large centerpieces, 5 Audrey Posies, and 4 of our Jane Posies. And there are no tools needed for today, and it took less than a minute to make.
Easiest how-to yet.
Yes.
Alright, now let's get into it. We're starting with 5 paper columns that we got on Etsy.
Yes.
Different heights. We'll try and link them in the comments. We don't know if they're available anymore.
2 tall, 2 medium, 1 short, 3 on one side, 2 on the other.
And then we're going to place brands just as they come.
So we have 2 Audrey grands and 2 Jane grands, and we're just spacing them out.
And then we're gonna add posies to the opposite grands. So we'll add Jane Posies to the Audrey grands and Audrey Posies to the Jane grands.
And then for this third one over here, I'm gonna add 1 of the Audrey large centerpieces. And these are really, they don't fall out, so you don't have to secure them to the grand centerpiece.
Posies are the best product to help you mix and match collections. You really just stick them in.
And they combine 2 collections in an instant just by adding the posies. I also feel that it needs a little bit at the foot of the column, so I'm gonna add a Jane large centerpiece on this side, and then Abby will add a Jane and an Audrey large centerpiece on hers since she only has 2 columns, and then you're done.
So easy.
So easy, but yet so impactful. I really feel like it gives it a good amount of height. The variation of the different florals and everything like that. Love how it turned out.
Yes. And there you have it.
Yes.
The easiest paper column install literally ever.
Yes. We literally did this. I looked at my camera and it was 51 seconds.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoy this video.
So this is our last how-to of the year. We want to thank y'all for all of the support and for watching all of our how-tos. We really appreciate it. And stay tuned for next year for all the fun things we have planned.
Yes, this has been such a fun project for the both of us, and yeah, like Emily said, we have some really exciting things planned for next year. We're gonna get a little personal with you guys, and in terms of like wedding design and wedding budget, and yeah, we just have some fun things planned. So definitely subscribe and keep an eye out for social, because we'll be sharing all the fun stuff at the beginning of the year. So we'll see you guys next year. Bye.